The Pacific F3D MkII is a structural firefighting helmet that is used around the world. The traditional design includes a wide rear brim offering additional shielding for the back of the neck and head. Today, we're going to take you through some of the basic maintenance for the F3D MkII, including replacing the visor, removing the liner, and changing the sweatbands. If you're not sure what model of helmet you have, you can check on the label located on the inside of your helmet, where you'll also find the date of manufacture. Let's check out the major components of the F3D MkII. The DuPont Kevlar and fiberglass reinforced composite shell, full cranium polyurethane liner, Pacific's ratchet adjustable headband with merino sweat pads, BBN cap and lace, 2-point chin strap, liner retainer clips, face shield hinge kit, and the Macrolon face shield. The first process we're going to run through is removing and replacing the face shield. The face shield on the F3D MkII is secured in two places. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws. Loosen both screws and remove the face shield. That's it, you've removed the face shield. Remember to keep track of all the pieces from the face shield hinge kit. There should be 4 pieces for each side. Now we're going to go ahead and show you how to refit the face shield. Fit the black plastic pieces from the hinge kit onto the face shield as shown. Try to align the lugs on the face shield to the corresponding holes on the helmet. Tighten the screw so it's firm but doesn't impede the visor's movement. Repeat the process on the other side of the helmet. Next is the 2-point chin strap and liner. Remove the neck protector, which is fastened to the helmet via hook and loop. Identify the 2 posi stop screws located below the face shield hinge kit on either side of the helmet. To loosen the posi stop screws, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. When you remove the screw, the liner retainer clip will come loose. Set it aside with the other parts. The helmet's liner is attached to the shell with hook and loop strips. Grip the liner firmly and pull it out. You've successfully removed the chin strap and the helmet liner. We're now going to go ahead and fit the liner back into the helmet shell and secure the chin strap with the liner retainer clips and the posi stop screws. It's important to note that the posi stop screws are made from nylon. To maintain the best hold, replace the screws if the chin strap or liner is removed. To Turn the helmet shell upside down and identify the hook and loop strips. Line up the hook and loop and then put the liner back into the shell. Press firmly to secure. Next, fit the liner retainer clips as shown. Line the whole of the retainer clip up with the hole in the helmet shell. It's time to replace the chin strap. When fitting the chin strap, the quick release buckle should be on the right hand side and the tag should be pointing inward. Pass the end of the chin strap between the liner retainer clip and the helmet shell. All 3 holes need to line up. Thread the screw through the shell, chin strap and liner retainer, then fasten till firm. Repeat the process on the other side of the helmet. Test the chin strap to ensure it's firmly in place. Refit the neck protector by tucking it in between the shell and liner using the hook and loop strips. Let's move on and remove the headband. Start off by getting the neck flap out of the way. Undo the quick release clip on the chin strap. Find the helmet lace and untie the knot. Pull the lace through the ribbon suspension. After this, the BBN cap should come loose. Set the lace and the BBN cap aside. The headband is now only fastened to the liner by 3 hook and loop strips. Grip the headband and pull it free from the liner. With the headband removed, it's the perfect time to replace the merino wool sweatbands. The front sweatband is held in place by small hooks. Gently unhook the front sweatband from the headband. The back sweatband is fastened by hook and loop. Let's replace the rear sweatband first. The cutout goes around the ratchet adjuster. Position the headband on the sweatband and do up the hook and loop. The black part of the sweatband should be on the outside. The ratchet adjuster should be easily accessible and spin freely. Moving on to the front sweatband. Start with the bottom row of hooks. Thread each hook through its corresponding hole in the merino sweatband. Wrap the sweatband around the inside of the headband and attach the top set of hooks to the sweatband tabs using the holes provided. Take your time during this process. The hooks are quite small and easy to miss. Make sure both sweatbands are fitted firmly and the black side is facing out. It's time to fit the headband back into the helmet. When positioning the headband into the helmet, make sure the ratchet adjuster is at the back where you can see the rear hanger. Pass the two side points of the ribbon suspension through the holes in the headband as shown. Reattach the headband to the liner using the 3 points of hook and loop. Locate the BBN cap and lace you set aside earlier. You'll notice the BBN cap only has 4 attachment points, but there are 6 suspension ribbons. Pass the front suspension points through the BBN cap as shown, then add the lace to retain. Ensure the lace is even to make the rest of the process easier. Thread the lace through the side suspension points. The BBN cap should naturally flip over at this point, so the black fabric is pointing out. Feed the rear suspension points through the black side of the BBN cap so the ends appear on the inside. Thread the lace through the final 2 points. Make sure the ends are even once more, then tie off the lace as per the demonstration. Congratulations, you've successfully completed basic maintenance on your F3D MkII structural firefighting helmet. A comprehensive range of spare parts for the F3D MkII helmet are available from Packfire. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.